In the name of Almighty Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Welcome to Hardia, Natural Health Sciences. In today's video, I am going to tell you a masterpiece of male impotence. People who suffer from male impotence and are tired of being treated. But all was in vain. This recipe is the best recipe for them. People who are worried about the masculine timing and ejaculate very quickly. It is very useful for those peoples. In addition, it thickens the sperm. This substance strengthens the sperm germs, gives new strength to dead and weak germs, which increases their ability to act. People whose sperm germs are very weak and worried about having no children should use this prescription once. Here are the ingredients which required for that formula. Asparagus, 20 grams. Gum of the silk, 20 grams. Pellitory root, 20 grams. Blepharis adulis, 20 grams. Coyote seeds, 20 grams. And sugar loaf, 50 grams. Preparation. Finely grind and mix all these ingredients and make a powder and store it in a pot. When it comes to usage, so use a small teaspoon with lukewarm milk of a glass daily in the morning on an empty stomach, and in the evening on an empty stomach, continuously for a month. Inshallah, after a month, you yourself will tell others about its benefits. I hope you enjoyed my today video. You are requested to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Allah Hafiz.